The VEVOR 50-foot, 50-amp RV extension cord provides ample length to connect to distant power sources, making it highly practical for various outdoor settings. This extension cord is constructed with pure copper wiring and a robust flame-retardant, heat-resistant PVC sheath, ensuring durability and safety during use. Featuring high conductivity, this flexible cord allows for easy conversion from a standard 50-amp male to female connection, thanks to its ST-6W3C and 8.1C wire sizes. The ergonomic handle on the plug is designed for ease of use, simplifying the process of plugging and unplugging, and comes with an adjustable cord organizer for convenient storage. Its weatherproof design, complete with a PVC sheath and threaded locking ring, offers enhanced protection for reliable outdoor performance. This versatile extension cord is suitable for a wide range of applications, including campsites, electric vehicle charging stations, and various RVs, campers, trailers, and vehicles.